Hey everybody, I'm going to show you the track bar reinforcement plate for the INEOS Grenadier. It's going to be comprised of a shouldered bolt and a nut and two plates, back plate and front plate. What you're going to notice is these have like this unique little shoulder on there. So what can happen with a track bar bolt, it's really common, is that you can have that track bar bolt come loose over time or fail, and it'll just wallow around in there, and you can get what's called a death wobble. You get a vibration in the steering wheel. So what this does is twofold. So you can put this in proactively. We're gonna double the thickness of where this engages the frame on both sides, or if you've damaged the frame, this is going to allow you to drill out that hole to a larger size and stick that in. There is welding required. I would say that if you're in a pinch and you weren't able to weld it right away, this would be a fix you could do at your home. You remove the track bar, you remove the drag length, now you've got access to drill out this larger hole and you'd be able to pop this guy into the frame. And we'll show you how this all welds in. It's really nice. What we'll do is we'll typically just TIG weld it in and then clean up the frame. So what we're doing is we're doubling the thickness on both sides of that tab. And then we put in this shouldered bolt over the factory bolt, which is not shouldered. So it gives you a little bit more precision in there. That's it. Hopefully you don't need to do this as a repair. You can either do it proactively, or if you need a repair done, we have the components for you. Happy trails.